It's the end of the year, and Miss Honey is ready to start cleaning up her textbook tracker database by removing the copies she's discarded over the year. After running any necessary reports, such as the Discarded Copies report, Miss Honey can then use the Remove Discarded Copies utility. Utilities are used to change large amounts of information in your database at once, such as forgiving mass amounts of charges and changing your patron statuses. To remove your discarded items, go to Operations, then Utilities. On the left, you'll have a list of your saved utilities. These are utilities you have created and saved for future use. To the right, you have the Details pane, where you can add a utility, see your scheduled utilities, and learn more about utilities. Once a utility is selected, it will show the details of the selected utility. To add a new utility, unlock the window, then click the plus sign to the top right, or Add Utility. This brings up the utility templates, which are sorted by categories to the left. Each utility has a brief description explaining how best to use the utility. From the categories list, click Textbook Copies and scroll to the bottom to select Remove Discarded Copies, then click Create. On the Overview tab, you can customize utility name and add any usage notes about the utility. You also have settings to favorite, share for those of you in a centralized catalog, schedule, and notify. Check the Notify box if you want to enable email notification sent upon utility completion. You can choose to save your utility here by clicking Save at the top right. This makes it so the utility is listed in your saved utilities so you can easily find and run it in the future. The Selections tab is where you build the utility to suit your needs by selecting the records you want to remove or modify. Find more selections by checking the box to show additional. The settings in this tab vary per utility. To remove all discarded items, leave the selections blank. For your other utilities, ensure you are paying close attention to which selections you make. The Options tab is where you can select to remove titles without copies. When checked, this option also removes remaining title records with no other copies once the discarded copies are removed. Your options will vary based on the utility selected. With the utility set up as you'd like, click Run at the bottom right. If you haven't already and you want to save your changes, click Save and Run. Textbook Tracker will then show a confirmation pop-up informing you about how many records will be removed or modified. Keep in mind this cannot be undone, so if the number doesn't look correct, you will want to click No and verify your selections and options. We also suggest running a report using the same selections to see an exact list of what records will be modified. Double-check the number of items to be modified. If the number looks correct, check the box to confirm you understand there is no going back. Then click Yes. You can verify the utility by going back to your operations, by clicking Operations from your side nav, or by using the message drawer. Then clicking the Operations Summary Report icon once the utility has finished running. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can always contact our lovely customer support team.